Mĩhang'o ya kũrigĩrĩria gũtherema kwa mũrimũ wa HIV ĩkoretwo ĩtacũkĩtie makinya mega hĩndĩ rĩu nĩ kũgĩte na mũhĩnga thutha wa honge cia kĩmabũrũri iria iraheaga Kenya mbeca cia mĩhang'o ĩno kũrenga ũteithio wacio. Arĩa makoretwo magĩtabania mĩhang'o ĩno rĩu maugĩte no nginya thirikari cia kaunti cihũrie ithenya rĩrĩ angĩkorwo mbara ĩno nĩ kũhotanwo.
You may see like most of the donors, for example, the USAID has already withdrawn from the HIV funding and also reproductive funding. So it's high time county government prioritize budget on domestic budgets. Like we kept domestic budget, we include family planning and also HIV, because we can see a number of people, especially youth, between 18 to 35, they are coming to get these services today, and they are here flown in and out finding these services.
Initially we had donor funding stepping in, but now they are withdrawing. Somehow donors are finding other priorities. So it's up to us as government, as CSO networks, to focus on domestic funding.
Ona kũrĩ ũguo nĩ makũngũĩire kuona namba nene ya ayuthi ĩrĩa ĩyumĩragia gwetha ũgĩ wa kũhũrana na mũrimũ ũyũ yongererekete ĩkĩringithanio na miaka ya hau kabere.
Generation yenye tuko mayouth wamekubali like kuongelea hizi vitu about condoms, about contraceptives, wanaziongelelea hadharani pia, na pia wanaona kabisa sasa hizi tumemaliza ile stigma ya kitambo enye watu walikuwa wanasema condoms si kitu ya kushinda ukitaja kila pahali, but sasa hizi tunakubali, tunasema tunapaswa tuiongelele na pia tukue na hizi conversation kwa community.
Hata na pia vijana, kwa sababu wamefunzwa mambo mengi kuhusu kutumia hiyo condom, na kama mtu ako na hiyo haja ya kutaka kufanya ngono, kuna njia za kuna hiyo condom.
Kambeini ĩno ayuthi moritio kwaga thoni rĩrĩa magwetha njĩra cia kwĩgitĩra kumana na mĩrimũ ya kuonana kĩmwĩrĩ na ya njĩra cia ũciari.
As I'm talking right now, I've got 161 youth who have already been tested and also received reproductive health and also received different family planning, that is implant, IUD. These things are human rights.
Ni vizuri umuhimu wa kutumia mipira ya kujizuia, na pia siku ya leo tumekuja hapa tumeleta services kama HIV testing, cervical cancer na services zingine za reproductive health.
Githui wa Wairimu, Laikipia.